Blessings, my people. Kay here with Inner Elevation 9, and today is a great day to have a great day in beautiful, and now actually sunny, California. Walking you guys up outside my little mountain abode, post-winter storm. Man, tell me, this isn't gorgeous. Be lying through your teeth. Lying through your teeth. We give thanks. We give thanks to the Most High. We give thanks this day to the cooperative components. We give thanks to the heavens. We give thanks to the earth. We give thanks to the winds and to the water. We give thanks to the sun, to the moon. We give thanks this day. And a great metaphor for where we are in the world as a people. There's been a decent time of drought in the areas of common sense. There's been a drought in the areas of love and conscious, compassionate contemplation. We have had a drought in the areas of nuanced conversation and this is a precursor. This is a external view of something that is happening in and within all of us. Now, by all of us, I don't mean every single human being walking on the face of the earth. There are many humans who absolutely, positively are not necessarily, say, oriented towards this perspective. For those that are, congratulations. The inundation has come.